With Olivia Kirkwood, a happy big 6th birthday. Olivia is celebrating in Baxter Springs.
All right, up next we have Ayden Harris, who's turning 9 years old this year in Erie, Kansas, with love from Mom, Ian, Grandma, and Grandpa.
Mya Marie King is celebrating her 9th birthday as well. Mya Marie, these birthday wishes coming from love and Grandma, Grandpa, and the entire family.
All right, we've got Drew Cotsman, who's 11 years old now. Avid hunter there. Drew is in Arcadia, Kansas.
Looks good, Drew. Looks good, my man. William Zibung Jr., he is celebrating his 30th birthday. William, I like the poster back there, man. That's pretty slick. He's in Moran.
All right. And let's see, after William, Katie Faikg is 33 years old this year. Happy birthday, Katie in Pittsburgh.
Hunter and Emily McPherson celebrating their 2nd anniversary. That's a great picture right there, Hunter and Emily. Congratulations in front now.
Kevin and Jolene Starr celebrating 25 years of wedded bliss. They're in Seneca.
Check out Jolene's visor. That's great. That hair day.
Love it.
That's awesome. Cole Gregory, a happy 19th birthday to Colt in Columbus. Michael Eggensberger, a happy birthday to Michael in Joplin. And Janelle Marietta celebrating a birthday as well. Miss Janelle is in Pittsburgh.
Corgia Cox is celebrating 60-something in Nevada. And Richard and Barbara Frank are celebrating an anniversary in Columbus.
A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this June the 8th. That's where you can send your pictures and information into. If you do it via email, birthdays with an S at KOAM-TV.com, or you can do it online as well, KOAMnewsnow.com/birthdays. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
Yep, use that online link and you can become a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. It's simple. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up, and once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Once again, go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.